Today's question is: what are the types of home repair tools and their uses? Home repair tools are essential for maintaining and improving your living space. Whether fixing a broken item, installing new fixtures, or making modifications, the right tools make tasks easier, safer, and more efficient. So now we will discuss the different types of home repair tools, their functions, and how they are used to make various repair tasks easier and more efficient. Number 1. Cutting tools. Cutting tools are tools specifically designed to cut through materials like wood, metal, plastic, or fabric. These tools often have sharp edges or blades to make clean cuts. Examples: utility knife. It is used to cut materials like drywall, cardboard, or plastic. Hacksaw, a saw with a fine-toothed blade commonly used for cutting metal pipes or thin metal sheets. Scissors, for cutting light materials such as paper, fabric, or thin plastic. Number 2. Driving tools. Driving tools are used to drive fasteners such as nails, screws, and bolts into materials. These tools often involve striking or turning motions. Examples: hammer, used to drive nails into wood or other materials. Screwdriver, a tool used to insert or remove screws. Impact driver, a power tool designed to drive screws and bolts with high torque. Number 3. Holding tools. Holding tools are designed to grip, clamp, or secure materials in place during work, providing stability for cutting, drilling, or assembling. Examples: pliers, used for gripping, bending, and cutting materials like wire. Clamps, used to hold materials together, such as wood pieces during glue drying. And vise, a heavy-duty tool mounted on a workbench to hold materials securely while working on them. Number 4. Measuring and marking tools. Measuring and marking tools help ensure accurate measurements and precise markings on surfaces, which is essential for cutting, installing, or assembling parts. Examples: tape measure, used to measure lengths and dimensions. Ruler or metal square, a straight edge used for measuring or marking straight lines. Level, a tool used to check if a surface is horizontal or vertical. And number 5. Miscellaneous tools. Miscellaneous tools are a category that includes various other tools used for specific tasks not covered by the other categories. These tools often support general home repairs and improvements. Examples: plunger, it is used to remove blockages in pipes or clear airlocks in pneumatic tools. Oil stone, a sharpening tool used to hone and sharpen cutting tools. And potty knife, a tool used to apply and smooth putty or filler on surfaces.